If you have astigmatism, finding the right glasses is crucial for correcting an uneven corneal curvature so that light focuses properly onto your retina. Today, we are breaking down the best lens options to give you crystal clear vision. The foundation of any astigmatism correction is the cylindrical lens. These are essential for correcting the specific, irregular shape of the eye. For optimal results, your prescription must be perfectly customized with two specific values: the cylinder, or CYL, which defines the strength of the correction, and the axis, which dictates the angle of that correction. Correctly identifying these ensures your vision is sharp across the entire lens. Beyond the correction itself, the material of your lens matters. For those with higher prescriptions, high-index lenses are a game changer. They are significantly thinner and lighter than standard plastic lenses, reducing the Coke bottle effect and making your glasses more comfortable for all-day wear. If you lead an active lifestyle, consider polycarbonate or Trivex lenses. These materials are impact-resistant and offer built-in UV protection. They are the preferred choice for children's eyewear and safety glasses, providing peace of mind alongside clear vision. Another critical addition is anti-reflective, or AR, coating. This treatment eliminates reflections from the front and back of your lenses. By reducing glare, AR coatings improve your vision for night driving and reduce eye strain during prolonged computer use. Speaking of screens, blue light filtering is another popular option. It helps block the high-energy blue light emitted by digital devices. While research is ongoing, many users find that blue light filters make screen time more comfortable and can even help improve sleep patterns. For the ultimate in precision, look for digitally surfaced lenses. This technology uses computer-controlled equipment to grind the prescription. It creates a more accurate, high-definition vision experience, especially beneficial for those with complex astigmatism prescriptions. Your choice of frame also plays a role. For astigmatism, stability is key. You want a frame that holds the lens securely in the correct orientation. Frames that are too flexible might allow the lens to shift, which can throw off your axis correction and cause blurry vision. This is why a professional fitting is so important. An optician ensures the frames sit correctly on your nose and ears for consistent alignment. Regular eye exams are the best way to keep your prescription up to date. Astigmatism can change over time, and your lenses should reflect that. A comprehensive exam doesn't just check your vision, it monitors your overall eye health, catching issues like dry eye or glaucoma early. To recap, choosing the right lens involves considering the material, essential coatings like AR, and the precision of digital surfacing. Don't hesitate to discuss these options with your eye care professional to find the perfect combination for your specific needs. With the right lenses, you can say goodbye to blurriness and enjoy the world in high definition. Clear vision is within your reach. Thanks for joining us today. Here's to seeing the world more clearly every single day. See you next time. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone who wears glasses: choosing the right lenses, especially if you deal with astigmatism. Getting the right prescription is only half the battle. The materials and features you choose can make a world of difference in your comfort and visual clarity throughout the day. To understand why lens choice matters, we first need to understand astigmatism. It occurs when your cornea or lens has an irregular shape, like a football instead of a basketball. This causes light to focus on multiple points in the eye rather than one, leading to blurred or distorted vision at all distances and those annoying halos at night. Now that we know the challenge, let's talk solutions. When it comes to the material of the lens, your prescription strength matters more than you might think. If you have a mild to moderate prescription, polycarbonate lenses are a fantastic, durable, and lightweight option for everyday wear. However, if you have severe astigmatism or a higher prescription, typically greater than plus or minus 4.0 diopters, high-index lenses are recommended. High-index materials will keep your lenses thin and reduce the overall weight on your face, preventing them from feeling heavy or looking bulky. Beyond the material, you need to consider your daily vision needs and lifestyle. There are two main categories: single vision and progressives. Single vision lenses are great if you only need correction for one specific distance, like seeing far away for driving, or seeing up close for reading. They provide a wide, consistent field of view for that one focal point. On the other hand, if you have both astigmatism and presbyopia, which is age-related close-up vision loss, you'll need something more versatile. In this case, Progressive or multifocal lenses are your best bet. They offer a seamless, smooth transition between different distances without any visible lines. This allows you to look down to read, straight ahead to see your computer, and up for distance vision, all through the same pair of glasses. Don't forget that the frame you choose also impacts your lens performance. For astigmatism, frame stability is key to keeping the lens axis correctly aligned. Look for frames with adjustable nose pads and sturdy temples. This ensures your glasses don't slip, which could throw off your customized prescription alignment. Finally, there is one feature you shouldn't skip: an anti-reflective coating. This is often the most important add-on for comfort. This is essential for reducing the halos and light streaks that commonly plague people with astigmatism, especially when driving at night. Remember to always ensure your lenses are precisely customized to your exact prescription for the best possible outcome. Thanks for watching.